I'm at the metro station in pedestrian-friendly downtown Lake Forest, about an hour and 10 minutes by train from downtown Chicago. I'm turning for a look at the historic Market Square Shopping Center, which has a Walgreens pharmacy and a Starbucks. I'm headed a few blocks north, past bars, restaurants, a fresh market, and Jewel-Osco, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished apartments at Kelmscott Park. I'm at apartment 145-214, looking out over the grilling terrace where there's a fire pit and seating areas, turning into a bright and spacious and high-ceilinged living dining area. Looking at blonde plank flooring throughout the living areas. Just a great feel to this room. Plenty of space for your dining and leisure activities. It's a home office desk. Dining room table to seat 6. Track lighting. What a terrific room this is. Looking out over a Juliet balcony. And turning into the kitchen. Breakfast bar island, gray quartz counters. There's an undermount stainless steel sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, French door refrigerator. A gas range, 5 burners. The griddle cooktop, tile backsplash, and since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, there's a complete selection of countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, everything you need to be at home. There's a built-in microwave, dishwasher in the island, and a serving bar on the opposite side of the kitchen. We have pendant lighting and track lighting. Heading back through the living area, turning into the master suite. Nightstands, your phones, clock, another flat panel TV. 2 walk-in closets as you approach the bath, one off to your left, one off to your right, and then a spacious bath. Doors for storage, double bowl vanity, wood frame mirrors up above. It's a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. And for privacy, separate toilet compartment. Bedrooms are carpeted. And there's great separation of the bedrooms. Heading toward the second bedroom, directly opposite the primary/master. Twin beds, flanking a nightstand, chest of drawers, and 2 closets. Heading back toward the entryway to the apartment, past that desk. You have your powder room, half bath. Great if you're entertaining. Looking at the front entry door, keyless entry system, and perfect placement for it. Your laundry room away from the living and sleeping areas with a side-by-side washer dryer, ironing board, iron, and again, all the accessories to make your stay comfortable. Heading toward the third bedroom, 2 closets flank the entryway. Terrific storage in this apartment. Another full bath, again a gray quartz countertop. Drawers again for storage in the vanity. And there's a deep soaking tub. Continuing into the third bedroom. Well, has a queen bed, chest of drawers, nightstand, and again 2 closets. Kelmscott Park's amenities include a grilling terrace with a fire pit, a comfortable resident lounge with a conference area, and an entertaining room with a caterer's kitchen. There's a nicely equipped fitness room with cardio and strength training equipment. Sweet Home offers a variety of spacious apartments here, and they're all a sweet deal.